Hi friends, this is Meda. Please like and subscribe my channel. Today I'm sharing my feelings about the rainy day. A rainy day brings delightful weather with a cool breeze and rain showers. It brings joy and happiness to nature. It is a blessing for trees, birds, animals, plants, and people during the summer. Trees look so fresh, colorful, and refreshing after a shower. The rain falls gently, tapping on the windows and making small puddles on the ground. People walk quickly with their umbrellas, trying to stay dry. The smell of the rain on the ground grass is sweet and clean. It's a cozy feeling to be inside listening to the sound of the rain and watching it fall. A rainy day can be a quite peaceful time to relax and enjoy the soft weather. We all love rain. I love rainy day.